If you have multiple accounts on your device and you don't know how to switch between them in your Android phone in Chrome browser, and this is the right tutorial you have chosen. So let's get started. What you have to just do is open your Chrome browser. If any tab is open, just close it and open a new tab. Here you will see your profile section at the top right corner. Click on it. Click on your profile section. At the bottom side you will see sign out and turn options. Click on it. Click on continue. And again click on profile section. Here click on your profile. Now you have to just choose which account you want to log in. You will choose this account and click on yes, I am in. And this is the most important part. Only click on keep my data separate. Do not click on combine my data and click continue. Now you have successfully logged in by another account in your Chrome browser in Android phone.